Okay. So our agenda is we are going to discuss what, guys? Topic is CDP. Anyone who can tell me what is the full form of CDP?
Cisco
Cisco
Discovery Protocol.
Discovery Protocol. So I hope you guys understand something here. Where is Cisco? It means it is Cisco proprietary. And discovery means basically the use of CDP is to discover the thing. What, guys? To discover the thing. What are the thing? Discover the information of your neighbor. Got it now, everyone? So CDP is a type of message, and by the help of CDP message, you guys will get the information about the directly connected neighbors. Understand? And this message is very, very important in terms of troubleshooting. Getting my point, everyone?
Yes.
Now, I written some point about the CDP. I am sharing with you. Same thing you guys will get in your notes also. I hope this is visible, or let me increase the font then. If it is not visible, then is it visible now? Now I hope it's visible to all of you. Content is visible, everyone.
Yes.
Yes.
The first point I mention here, guys. CDP stands for Cisco Discovery Protocol. And CDP works at which layer, guys? Layer number 2. Layer number 2. Cisco proprietary protocol used to discover information about directly connected Cisco devices, either router or switches. Getting my point, everyone? Understand? So CDP provides a way for devices to share information about themselves, allowing network administrator to gather details about network topology, networking device, and their configuration. So basically the use of CDP is to find out the detail about the directly connected network, directly connected Cisco device. Are you getting my point, everyone? Understand now? So this is the use of CDP. Now the thing is how CDP work. I told you CDP works at which layer, guys? Layer number 2, that is called data link layer. Understand now, everyone? So since CDP operates at layer number 2, it does not rely on the layer number 3. It means it does not depends on layer number 3. On layer number 3, what you assign? There is a IP address, na, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes.
It means, let's suppose this is the switch and this is the router. No matter you assign the IP address here or not, CDP will work. So what is the proof here? The proof is CDP do not depends on layer 3 IP address. Getting my point, everyone?
Yes.
Understand now?
Yes.
So it means CDP is completely reliable on data link layer, not on layer number 3. Clear now, everyone? Now the thing is broadcast. So please remember one thing, CDP message is advertise multicast. What, guys? Multicast. Multicast means all the devices, all the Cisco devices connected, they will receive the CDP messages. Are you clear, everyone? Understand? Now the thing is, and one more thing, this is the interview question. CDP message is periodically or what? Yes, CDP message is periodically, guys. It means device will exchange the CDP message after every how much second? Please remember, 60 seconds. How much? 60 seconds. Now, receiving CDP message. Device that receive the CDP advertisement will store information about their neighbor. Yes, once the device receive the CDP message, that device store all the neighbor information. All the neighbor information. Now the thing is, let's suppose if device is exchanging the CDP message, so what are the content in the CDP message? What are the content in CDP message? So basically, these type of content you guys will get. First one is device ID. Device ID is nothing, that is the host name. Now, next is guys, address. Address means IP address. It is optional. If you configure, then you guys will get, otherwise not. Then guys, port ID. Port ID. Port ID means the interface through which your device is sending the CDP messages. Are you clear, everyone? Understand? Next
Yes.
is capabilities. Whether the device is router, switches. So basically in capabilities, you guys will get the information about the types of devices. Now, platform means model, what are the version of the devices, these things. Version means iOS version here you guys will get. Okay. VTP domain means this is, you guys can ignore this one. VTP domain means there are 3 types of VTP domain, or you can say virtual. We will discuss something about the VTP in later class. Okay, but right now ignore VTP. Native VLAN, I hope you guys already understand. Right now. So basically these type of thing in CDP messages you guys will get. Clear, everyone? Tell me. Understand?
Yes.
Now, what are the command related to CDP? I will tell you. But before this, first of all, what are the common uses of CDP? So first thing is network topology discover. I hope you guys understand. By the help of CDP, you guys can easily understand your physical directly connected device information. Right? Next is it helps in troubleshooting as a network administrator. As a network administrator, definitely CDP will help you. How? Basically, by the help of CDP, you guys will get the information about your neighbor. Now, next is device inventory. CDP can use to gather the information about the devices that is connected in your network, as well as the security audit. It means by the help of security tables, you guys can easily find out whether the device connected in your network is authorized or not. Getting my point, everyone? So these are the uses of CDP. And I already told you what is the by default timer. 60 seconds.
Yes.
It means after every 60 second, device will exchange the CDP messages. Clear, everyone? I hope you guys understand. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Clear, na? For example, these are the topology. Okay, na? I told you na ki there are some messages. There are some, there are some command in CDP. Okay. So I am running. Okay. Do one thing, guys. I am running the command. If possible, you guys can write down the command. Okay. So the first is, in some case, CDP is enabled and in some case, CDP is not enabled. Are you getting my point, everyone? For example, I open this one. I hope my CLI is visible to all of you. Tell me,
Yes.
visible? Okay. See, first of all, what is the command to enable the CDP? What is the command to enable the CDP? What is the command, guys? CDP. I don't know in packet tracer every command will work or not, but I am telling you the command. But definitely, if in packet tracer it will not work, you guys can try on GNS. It will work. Okay. So CDP run. See na, it is not taking. It is not taking. But yes, this is the actual command. Getting my point, everyone? Now, what is the command to stop the CDP? You have to write only no. Oh, I did one mistake. In global configuration mode, what is the command, guys? CDP run. It's a, understand, everyone? So by the help of this command, we can enable the CDP. Clear, everyone? What is the command to disable the CDP? Same
No
command,
CDP.
you have to write
No
only
CDP.
no CDP run.
No
Clear,
CDP.
everyone? Understand? I'm
Yes.
telling you the command. So this is the command. Clear? In some, there are one more command to enable, that is CDP. You can write either enable in an ABLE. It's not working here, but yes, it also works. CDP enable. This is the also command. Are clear na everyone? Tell me.
Yes.
CDP run. So now CDP is enabled. Now the thing is, what is the command to check CDP status? The command is show CDP. It also not working. Oh, sorry. Show CDP. Here, see. When I run here, show CDP. I hope everyone writing the command. So when I am writing here, guys, show CDP. What is the information? Global CDP information. Sending CDP packet after every how much second?
60 seconds.
And what is the whole time? 180
180
second. 180 second. And this is the CDP version. This is the CDP version. Clear?
version.
Everyone. Now, what is the command to check the detail about your neighbor? So what is the command, guys? So CDP
CDP
neighbor.
neighbor.
So if I run this command, see na, what is the device? Layer 3. Who is the layer
Layer
3?
three.
This one, na? Yes or no?
Yes.
This
Yes.
is
Host
not
name.
layer 3. This is the host name. Device ID means this is the host name. On which interface? Fast Ethernet 0 by 1. This interface. Yes, na? This is the whole time. Whole time will decrease. By default, it is at 180 seconds, but it will decrease. After 60 seconds, it will again 180 seconds. Now, this is the platform.
Platform.
Platform means this is na? And this is the port ID. Port ID means at this port ID, this device is connected. Right now, this device is connected through gig 0, 1 by 0 by 1. Are you getting my point, everyone? Yes or no? Yes, na?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. And one more thing. When I run this command here, I am able to see the detail about this one because this device is directly connected with this device. Yes or no? Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
This device is also directly connected with this one also, na? But why we are not able to see? Because this is
CDP
not
is not
Cisco
running.
device, guys. This is PC.
Yeah.
Cisco is not
Okay.
manufacturing PC. Yes or no?
Yes.
This is the Cisco device. This is not the Cisco device. But again, you guys will ask, sir, this is router. But why we are not getting? Guys, what is the interface status? Down. Interface status is?
Down.
Down.
Let me enable it.
I think you forgot the recording.
No,
Recording is going on.
recording is on. Interface. What is the interface, guys? Gig 0 by
0 by 0.
0 by 0.
I'm writing just no shutdown.
No start.
And you know, by default, all the interface of the switch is by default enable. Right now, all. So we are not going to write there, no shutdown. Clear? I hope till now you guys are able to understand all the command, right? So CDP neighbors. Are you clear na, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, and I'm also recommending guys, please write down all the command. Okay, I'm not going to share these command. Please write down the command. So CDP neighbor. Okay, again writing same command. So CDP neighbor.
Neighbor.
So when I write so CDP neighbor, see na, now you guys are getting the information about router also. Yes or no? Everyone, tell me.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
na? Okay. Now,
Shubham,
there is yes, please.
I have a question on the. Is by default the CDP is it enabled or disabled?
By
in
default, it is
Cisco?
already enabled. On
Ah,
all
okay.
Cisco device, it is enabled. And it is mandatory. Even in real scenario, we are enabling this. Because as a network admin, it will help you, quite help you. Now, the same so CDP neighbor. This is the command to check the guys information about your neighbors. Okay. So here in the same command, if you write the detail keyword, you guys will get the detail information. You guys will get the detail information. Are you getting my point, everyone? Yes or no? See now, when I
Yes.
write so CDP neighbor detail, device ID is layer 3, platform is this one, capability, everything in a detail way. Even the software versions 16.321, right, everyone? So you guys will get the detail information about your neighbor device. Are you clear, everyone? So what is
Yes,
the
sir.
both command? So CDP neighbor and so CDP neighbor detail. Are you clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now there is one more command. I don't know in packet result it will work or not, but in the real scenarios today, today I run this command in my organization. So command is show CDP, so CDP entry, and after that you have to write your neighbor device host name. Let's suppose I already know. Let's suppose I already know who is my neighbor. This one and this one router. Yes or no, everyone? Right now, I already know these two are my neighbor. Are you tell me yes or no? Yes, na?
Yes, sir.
So for example, what is the host name? Device ID is router. So I am writing here router. So when I write, you guys will get the all information about router. Getting my point, everyone? But generally we are not writing this one. Why? Because once you write the neighbor detail command, you guys will get all the details here. Yes, na everyone? Are you tell me? But when you
Yes.
write the so neighbor detail command, you guys will get all the neighbors information there. But let's suppose if you want to check only routers detail, so here you have to write guys router, and if you want to write here switch, you guys will get these device information. Are you clear, everyone? Understand? Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Now what is the hold time by default in CDP, guys? 180 second. What is the hold time? 180 second. Even you can change it. What is the command, guys? CDP hold. Not working. It's not working, but this is the command, guys. What is the command? Hold time. And after that, you can write the time. For example, let's suppose I want to hold time 240. So this is the command to change the hold timer. Even you can, if you want to change the, what is the by default timer for CDP? 60 second, na, everyone? Right, na?
Yes.
So CDP timer. Let's suppose I want to change this 90. So this is the command. Please write down this command. In real scenarios, it will work. So this is the command. In packet result, it will not work, but yes, this is the command to change the what? CDP timer. Clear, everyone? Tell me yes or no. Clear? Let me
Yes.
try on this one. A little bit advanced version. What is the command I write, guys? CDP.
CDP hold time.
No, it's also not working there. 240. No. But this is the command you guys can write down. CDP hold time, and then you can write the time. Time will be in the second, and CDP timer. After that, it will change the CDP timer. They clear, everyone? Understand? Show
Yes, sir.
CDP neighbor. So Sina, here this is the CDP table. Yes or no, everyone? Yes, na?
Yes.
Even there is a one command too if you want to clear the CDP table. What is the command? Clear CDP table. I run this command. Now, right. See na, all the entries removed. Yes or no, everyone?
Yes.
So these are the commands. So I hope you guys understand the CDP. Clear?
Yes.
So
Yes.
these are the commands you have to in CDP. These are the things you have to mention, or you have to remember the command. Now come on, LLDP. In LLDP, I'm telling you something about the LLDP. LLDP is nothing. One point you have to remember, this is the vendor neutral. It means in all vendor device it will work, and it is also layer number 2. It is also at layer number 2. Clear na? And everything will be same as CDP. Everything. Layer 2 operation, I already told you, broadcasting. Yes, only one difference. LLDP will broadcast. Okay. Information. These are the information in LLDP. Everything is same. Only name is changed. Chassis ID. Device name is chassis ID. Port ID. TTL. Okay, na? TTL means that's same as a whole time. Okay. Capability management address. Management address is the IP address. So everything is same. Just name is changed. Clear, everyone? Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now I mention here 2-3 point. What is the difference between CDP and LLDP? Just tell me, guys. I hope 2-3 difference. So I hope you guys already know. First one is vendor neutral. LLDP is the open standard, but CDP is the Cisco proprietary. LLDP can use in a network with device from the different vendor, right? But where we use CDP in case of Cisco environment, right? Now, if you have a Cisco device in your company, then you are using the CDP, right? Na, everyone. And in 95% case, you guys will use the CDP. Both protocols offer the similar functionality. LLDP have some extra feature, but this is not our concern. Clear? I hope you guys understand the concept. There is echo. Okay, cool. So this is all about the
Can you hear me?
yes.
LLDP is broadcasts the message, and
Yes, you
CDP
can understand the difference. This difference also. Broadcast and multicast.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, cool. Everyone. Okay. Now, if you guys understand, then let's start our new topic. Are you guys ready for the topic?
What are the commands for
What are the
LLDP?
commands for?
Sorry.
What are the commands for
commands?
LLDP?
Commands for
LLDP, sir. Yeah.
Here I cannot write the command because we all have a Cisco device. Yes, na everyone. But if you want, I
Yes,
know
sir.
some command I am telling you. For example, if you want to enable the LLDP, the command is LLDP run. This is the command to enable the LLDP. And if you want to disable, what is the command? No LLDP run. Are you clear, everyone? Are you tell me?
Okay.
Understand na?
Yes.
Now, there is one or more command I know. So LLDP. This is the command to check the LLDP information. And one more command. So LLDP neighbor. LLDP neighbor. So this is the command you guys can write. Similarly, here you can write so LLDP neighbor detail. The command. Everyone understand na? And same way in CDP, how you change the whole time and CDP timer. CDP whole time and then write the time, right na everyone? Yes or no? Similarly in LLDP, you have to write LLDP whole time and then you can write the anytime. Let's suppose 150. Understand everyone? Similarly in case of LLDP, if you want to change the time, timer is let's suppose 45 seconds. Okay, there is one more difference. In case of LLDP, by default, its time is 30 seconds. Its time is 30 seconds. Understand? But in case of CDP, how much? 60 seconds.
60 seconds.
Okay. And in case of CDP, whole time is by default, how much? 180 seconds. Right? But here, by default, it is how much? 120. So this is the difference you guys can remember. Like clear? Understand?
Yes.
Yes.
And if you want to clear the table, same command. Clear LLDP table.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, I want to ask, after clearing the table, if you want to add it back, then how
No,
we can do it?
actually after 60 seconds, it will automatically learn.
Okay, sir.
It will automatically learn.
Thank you, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
Understand everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Now, so this is all about guys CDP and LLDP. Now our next topic is are you guys ready?
Yes, sir.
How much?
Very good, sir.
Okay. Before this, let me open the syllabus. I hope it's visible. In CDP and LLDP, sorry, here in STP, this is our syllabus. Okay. So what we will discuss here, we will start from the STP. Okay. So you guys must need to focus here on STP. There are multiple flavor of STP. Again, I am telling there are multiple flavor of STP. Okay, right? Like PVST, RSTP, MST. So these are the flavor of
STP.
STP. Okay, this is the STP and these are the flavor of STP. There are one more CST, but nowadays we are not using now CST. These are the flavor of STP. Okay, so right now we are focusing on PVST. Understand everyone? So all the concept we will discuss on PVST. Because
PVST.
in your syllabus there is one more thing, rapid PVST. It means just
PVST.
in last class I will tell you something about the RSTP, because in case of RSTP 99% thing is same like PVST. Every concept is same. Getting my point? So first of all, focus on PVST to understand the concept. Clear everyone? There is little bit difference in PVST and RSTP. I will tell you these things in the last. Clear everyone? Now, once we cover this one, in PVST, we will discuss about the root port, root brace, everything we will discuss. There is no problem. Clear? After that, port state, port role, we will discuss. These are the security feature.
Security feature.
Or you can say L2 security.
Security.
Basically, these are the security topic. Basically, we discuss L2 security. In L2 security, we discuss about the port security as well as the root guard, post pass, loop guard, BPDU filter, right? BPDU guard. So these are called guys L2 security. Okay, na? So once we cover the PVST and RSTP, I will tell you about these terms also. Clear, everyone? I hope you guys understand. Once we complete this one, then after we will start the ether channel. Clear, everyone? Are tell me, understand na? In ether channel, see na, there in your syllabus there is only LACP. But there are two types of ether channel. There are two types of protocol. First one is PAGP and LACP. Now it is in maximum case we are not using PAGP. But don't worry, I will tell you something about the PAGP also. Clear, everyone? So once we complete the STP, then after I will tell you something about the ether channel. Clear, everyone? Now,
Yes.
these topic we already discussed. So we are not going to discuss again and again these things. Clear, everyone? Wireless AP, so these trunk port, right? Access port, so these things we already discussed. Clear, everyone? Tell me.
Okay. What is LAG
Yes.
means?
Sorry,
What is LAG?
I will tell you something about the LAG and WLC if I do not understand, do not explain. Okay, something. I will take your 5 minutes and I will explain you about these two, LAG and WLC. Clear, everyone?
Sure.
But after that, we will discuss the what is telnet, what is SSH. So these are the very small topics. So I will tell you about these things also. Clear? Alright, tell me. Understand?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's start the STP first. The first question, why? Why we need STP, spanning tree protocol? Anyone who can tell me why we need STP?
To prevent loop. Switch loop.
Your voice is go. So guys, in 90% book and in 90% scenario, you guys will get the answer. We are using the STP to avoid the loop
Loop.
at layer number 2.
Layer
Yes,
number two.
yes or no?
Yes.
I think
Yes.
everyone is aware about this one. To avoid the loop, we are using the STP,
STP.
right? Yes. At layer number 3, it will loop will create or not? Yes. At layer number 3, also loop will create. But in case of layer number 3, we have a concept of TTL value.
TTL.
Okay. So by the help of TTL value, it can mitigate. But at
Mitigate.
layer number 2, we have a concept of STP.
STP.
Okay. Now, if anyone asks you why we need STP, so first thing you guys can tell, we are using STP to avoid the layer 2 loop. This is not bad. This is correct. There is no problem. But you guys are here. It means definitely I will tell you something special also. Clear? But wait for some time. I will tell you some more point why we use STP. Clear, everyone? So you guys can answer in your interview like this. Basically, if you answer only to avoid the loop, this is very traditional. Everyone is telling this answer. So you have to make a smart. So I will tell you some more point why we use the STP. But wait for some time. Clear? Now the thing is, what do you mean by loop? What do you mean by loop? You are telling to avoid the loop. Loop means what?
Multiple frames.
Multiple?
Same multiple frames.
Send multiple frames. It means this is the switch and these are the interface, and this switch is sending the frame here through and here. It means this is loop according to you.
But the same
It
frame.
will stuck in circle.
Okay, no problem. Everyone please focus here. For example, I'm taking 3 switch. This is my switch number A, switch number B, switch number C. I hope my screen is visible to all of you, right?
Yes.
So these 3 switches are connected like this. Clear, everyone? For example, this is the interface. Fast Ethernet 0 by 0, 0 by 1, 0 by 0, 0 by 1, 0 by 0, and 0 by 1. Clear, everyone? For example, there is one user and there is one more user. This is the user number 1. This is the user number 2. Are you getting my point? This user is using the IP address 10.1 and this user is using the IP address 10.2. This user using the MAC address, let's suppose 0A, and this user also using the MAC address 0B. Anyone? Any doubt till now? Anyone? No doubt?
No.
No doubt. Clear. Now, the condition is this user wants to communicate with this user. It means here you write the command ping 10.2. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
So
Yes.
this device generate which packet, guys? ARP packet. Yes or no?
Yes.
Tell me. ARP packet. So what are the ARP packet? In ARP packet, what are the content you guys will get? Source IP will be 10.1. Destination IP will be 10.2.
L.
Source
Hmm.
MAC will be 0A.
A.
Destination MAC, this device don't know. So destination MAC will be FFF. It will broadcast. Right? Everyone, tell me. Right? Na?
Yes.
This
Yes.
packet will reach on switch. On which interface? This interface. Right? What switch will do?
Yes.
Switch is, what is the function of switch? Switch perform 3 tasks, guys. First one is listening, learning, forwarding.
Forwarding.
Okay, switch already listen. What? Packet receive on this interface. Now what switch will do? Learning. Switch learn in MAC address table. Right now, everyone. In MAC address table, switch learn on this interface. Let's suppose this is 0/2. On 0/2, what is the source MAC address here? 0A. Are yes or no? Everyone tell me.
Yes.
Source MAC address is what? 0A. And switch learn the thing here. Now, after that, what switch will do? Forwarding, right? So when switch will check what is the destination MAC address, FFFF, it means this is broadcast. Yes or no, everyone?
Yes.
Yes. This switch will forward this packet through this interface as well as through this interface. Yes or no, everyone? Tell me.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, na? This packet reach on this switch. What this switch will do? Again, listening, learning, forwarding. Listen. After listen, this switch will learn. What? On this interface, 0/0. What is the source MAC address here in this packet? Again, 0A.
A.
What is 0A? Clear na? Now, what is the destination MAC address? FFFF. Yes or no? Yes, na?
Yes.
So what switch will do? Switch will forward this
Broadcast.
packet through all the interface, right na? Except those interface on which
Receiving
switch
interface.
receive it. So switch, please do not understand like this. Switch will forward here also. No. Understand na? The port on which switch receive the packet through that interface, switch never forward the packet. Okay na? So switch will forward this packet through this interface. Yes or no? Everyone tell me. Anyone? Any doubt till now? No?
No.
Guys, yes or no? No?
Yes.
No doubt, sir.
Finally, this packet will reach here. Guys, on this switch, try to focus here. On this switch receive the same packet on this interface as well as on this interface. Are you tell me? Agree? Yes or no? Yes or
Yes.
no? This switch receive the same packet na? On this interface, what is the source MAC? 0A. And on this interface, what is the source MAC? 0A. Now, the thing is how switch will learn the thing. Getting my point? Everyone, do you guys understand what I'm trying to say?
Yes.
Tell me. Clear na? And let's suppose when this user wants to send the reply, packet will reach on here. Now, how switch will take the forwarding decision? Through this interface or through this interface? Switch will confuse. Switch will confuse. And that type of situation is called what?
Looping.
Loop means when the same packet device will receive on two different interface, that situation is called loop.
Looping.
That situation is called loop. Clear, everyone? I hope you guys understand, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So, if I want to avoid these type of loop, what we have to do? What we have to do? Either we can use this path or either we have to use this path. Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes.
Yes.
Either we have to use only one path. Na? Either when this user send the packet, either packet will go like this. Understand? Are tell me. Understand? Or either this
Yes.
packet will go like. Yes, na everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So it will avoid the loop. But here, it will create the loop. Everyone, I hope you guys understand. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Understood.
Now, my question is, who can tell me how we can avoid the loop here? I want answer from everyone. Whatever you guys know, please let me know.
We can disable one interface.
Okay, you are telling we can disable the interface. Okay,
Yes, on switch B, suppose. So it can go through A and C, or the A side to the interface we can disable, so it can go directly through C.
okay,
Yes, we can block one interface as he said.
we can drop one interface. Okay,
One in one path.
okay. Anyone else?
We can enable the STP protocol on the switch interface.
Okay, okay, cool, fine. It's visible, na everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
How many switch we have? 3 switch, right?
Three.
Same topology I told you that time. I connect to PCA. Let's suppose I am going to configure 10.0.0.1. And what is the MAC address, guys? This one, okay, na? I am copy this MAC address. Just it is enough. So please remember, this is the MAC address of this PC. Clear? Now come
Yes.
here. 10.0.0.2. This one. And this is the MAC address. Anyone have any doubt? No, na?
No.
10.1, 10.2. You guys install the packet tracer in your system or not? Still not? Anyone who do not install till now? Okay. One thing you guys see here. Okay, right now I'm not telling you. If I will tell you, then you guys will not enjoy. Okay, what I'm going to do, by default, guys, STP is enabled on the switch. Okay. But
Yes.
again, by default, STP is enabled on the switch. So basically, what is this? This is switch number 2, right? Na? Host name, switch number 2. Clear na? So what I am going to do, running, I am writing the command no spanning tree VLAN.
VLAN.
By default, VLAN number 1 is enabled, right? Na? Are you tell me?
Yes.
Yes.
Let me try it will work or not. Yes, it will work. But I want to disable STP for every
STP.
VLAN. Clear na? Understand?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now come here. You know now what I did?
Yes.
This is switch number 1. No spanning tree VLAN 1
VLAN
2 409.
9296.
Basically 4094, but I mistakenly I write 4096. No problem. Oof. What is the host name? This is my switch number 3.
3.
No spanning tree VLAN 1 2 4096. Done na everyone? So I
Yes.
disable the STP. Are you tell me yes or no? Yes na? So
Yes.
Yes.
spanning tree VLAN 1. No spanning tree instances exist. It means I already disable the STP here.
STP.
Are you clear everyone? Tell me yes or no? Yes
Yes.
na?
Yes.
Okay. Now I am showing you what are the problem. You guys will get the collision here.
Yes.
You know this is the source MAC and IP. Okay. Here what I write guys, ping 10.0.0.2. Yes na everyone. So see packets is there. Okay na. Let me open this packet. This is the ARP packet. Yes or no? This is the broadcast packet. Yes na everyone. Are you tell
Yes.
me?
Yes.
Again this is the ARP
ARP.
packet. No problem. And this is the which packet? ICMP packet. Okay na? Yes or no? Let me click here. This is the ARP packet. This packet will reach here. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. What it will do? It will
Oh.
broadcast through this
Broadcast.
interface and this interface. Yes or no? See na?
Yes.
Both
See what is
interface.
happening. Are you guys able to see
Yes.
what is happening? This is collision.
Duplicate.
This is collision, guys. See na? Packet is colliding na? Yes or no?
Yes.
Packet is even colliding on the interface. Yes or no? Everyone.
Yes.
Yes.
This is the problem without STP. It means what is happening? If I disable the STP, this link, and this link, all link are active.
Active.
All link are active. It means your packet exchanging is happening through all the link.
All the links.
All the link, and it create the problem.
Mhm.
Yes or no, everyone? And because of this, what is happening? Collision of packet is happening. Are you understand? Yes or no? Are you tell me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You understand na? Clear, everyone? Are you tell me?
Yes.
Understand? So see na, when you come here on result, see, do you guys get the result till now? I write the command, but still only one packet is timed out. Yes or no?
Yes.
Understand na? In ICMP packet, how many requests generally we are sending? 4 na?
4.
And see na, after how much time you guys getting second? After very long time. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
Why?
Yes.
Because packet is colliding here. So that's the reason you are getting the late response. You are getting the late response. And even see na, your packet is timed out. It is not necessary every time you guys will get the timeout. Sometimes you guys will get ping is successful also. But let's suppose if you send the 4 packet, only 1 packet you guys will get the response like this. So this is called what? This is called collision. And this is called loop. Are you understand? Yes or no? How many packet we send?
Yes.
4. How many
4.
packet we receive? 0.
0.
0.
Let's suppose I am writing again. Maybe I am sending the 4. I will receive 1. Maybe this type of thing you guys will get. But try to understand the problem. Problem is what? We are sending the packet, but we are getting response very late. Yes or no? Yes.
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 Why? Because packets are colliding our network, colliding in our network. Anyone who do not understand why we need STP and what is the problem? Anyone? Guys, it's clear na everyone?
Yes.
Sir.
See, but let's suppose I enable the STP. What is the command? अरे बताओ, what is the command? Spanning tree
Spanning tree protocol.
VLAN
VLAN
12409.
406.
I enable here on switch number 1. So when I enable it, its interface goes down. Okay.
Down.
One time it will goes down and after that it will up. Okay na? Spanning tree
Yes.
VLAN 12409.6. Are understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Do we need to write these commands or you will provide?
Sorry.
Do we need to write these commands now or you will provide?
This one. No, please write this command, guys. Right. Command write. Whatever the command I am doing in the lab, please write down. In the notes, you guys will get the concept. Okay, na? But I am trying to include the command as well. But for your safety, you guys can write down the command when I am doing something. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
See, I enable the STP here. Yes or no, everyone? How can you check? Now let's suppose come here. Do what is the command? Spanning tree show. Oh. So spanning tree, for example, VLAN number 1. See na? Now you guys are getting the result. Yes or no?
Yes.
Tell me. You guys are getting the result. And now see here one thing. When I enable the STP, this interface is in which state? Block state.
Block state.
It means now your packet will exchange like this only. Only one path is there. Yes or no? Everyone.
Yes.
Only one path is there. But when I disable the STP, what is happening? All the link was active. Yes, na? And that's create
Yes.
the problem. But now there is how many paths? Only one
One
path.
path.
So it means your packet will go like this and your reply will come like this. Getting my point? Everyone. Understand? Yes or no? Tell me.
Sir, how it is doing this?
Sorry?
Sir, how it is doing this? We are using a spanning tree command. So on which basis that
This is
spanning
the
tree?
feature. This is the feature of a spanning tree. How it will go in the block and what are the reason? Everything we will discuss later in a detailed way. But I'm right now. I'm just telling you how STP behave. What is the problem without STP and after enable? What is happening and how happening? What is the reason? We will discuss later. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So before STP, what was the thing, guys? Every link was active. And because of this, there is a problem with the collision. Collision is happening. But now when I enable the STP only, one link is active. This link is in which state? Blocking state. So your packet is going and packet is coming only through this link. So there is no chance to create the loop. Yes, na, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes.
Are you guys sleeping? No, na?
No.
Okay. Now see, come on here, same PC, same here. I'm writing the same command here. I'm writing the same command. What is the packet, guys? This is the which packet? ICMP packet. Yes, na? Are tell me yes, na? This is not the ARP packet. Why?
It already learned MAC
Yes,
address.
it already learned the MAC address. Okay, na? See, na, packet will reach here. Packet go. See, come here, come back. Here, what it is doing? Sending the packet here. This switch receive the packet, but what the switch will do? Drop.
Drop.
Again, PC send the reply. What switch will do? Switch do not
Receive
send the
the
packet.
forward.
this interface. Reply go only through this one. Are you getting my point? Yes or no? Everyone.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
It means when this PC is sending the packet reach here, what's this switch is doing? Forwarding here and here. Now you guys will ask, sir, if this interface is in the blocking state, then why this switch is forwarding this packet through this interface? Yes or no? This is the valid question.
Yes.
But
Yes.
guys, tell me one thing. On this switch, which interface is in the blocking state? This one, na?
0 by 2.
Yes.
But on this switch, is there any interface which is in the blocking state? No.
No.
All the ports are in active. So that's the reason this switch is sending the packet through here. This is the first reason. And second reason is basically switch is continuously sending the packet through this interface. Why? Because this switch is telling to this switch, I am active. Don't think I am dead. Getting my point? Basically, there are some terms I will tell you later. If this switch will not receive the packet through this interface, then this switch will consider this interface goes down.
Down.
Getting my point? So it also
Yes.
works like a keep alive message. So by the help of this message, this switch is telling to this switch, I am active. Don't worry. Getting my point, everyone? Understand? So now
Yes.
every communication is happening through here. So it means when any switch will send the unicast packet or broadcast packet, this switch will receive only on which interface? This interface.
0 by 1.
And when this PC will send the reply, this switch only use which interface? This one, not this one, because this interface is in blocking state. Are you getting my point? Yes or no? So
Yes.
this is the interview question. In blocking interface or in blocking port, please understand, switch do not forward the packet, but
Forward
switch
the
can listen the packet.
Listen the packet.
Switch can listen the packet, but switch cannot forward the packet. Understand, everyone? So that's the reason when switch is forwarding the packet through this interface, switch is receiving the packet here. It means this switch is listening the packet here. But when this PC sends the packet here, this switch is not forwarding the packet through this interface. Understand, everyone? I hope you guys understand. Clear?
Yes.
sir.
So basically, guys, this is the use of STP. Clear? Anyone who do not understand? Are tell me. Clear na?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now, if anyone asks you why we need STP, what is the answer, guys? It avoid the loop at layer number 2. How avoid the loop without STP? What is the problem? I hope now you guys understand very well. Clear na? Everyone.
Yes.
Guys, I am
Yes, sir.
telling loud. You guys are silent. Your voice is so low. Okay. Next thing, I'm telling you this point from my side. One thing, guys, try to understand. STP not only avoid the loop. STP is providing one more thing that is called redundancy. What is redundancy? Why I am telling you this one? See here. Let's suppose if this interface or this link goes down, what will happen? Your overall communication start happening like this through this interface. Getting my point, everyone? When this link goes down, automatically this come in active state. Understand? And your overall communication is happening through this interface. Getting my point, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes.
So this is the second use of STP. What? STP provide the redundancy. STP provide the redundancy. Means if the primary path goes down, STP immediately enable the backup
Secondary.
path of the communication. Are you getting my point? Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
na?
sir.
Okay. See here, come on this switch. What is the interface? Interface fast Ethernet 0 by 1, right? interface fast Ethernet 0/1, right? Na? Are tell me. This is the
Yes.
interface 0/1. I am writing here shutdown.
Yes.
So now this interface shut down. Tell me yes or no. Now
Yes.
see na,
Yes.
just wait for a minute. See na,
Yes,
after
sir.
some
30
time
seconds.
this port will be in which state? Active state. This port will be in which state, guys? Active.
Active state.
My point. Clear na? Everyone. It will take some time. How much time? We will discuss these things later. Oof. So basically, this is the use of STP. Anyone who do not understand till now why we need STP, what is the problem without STP, everything I already explained. Right? Everyone.
Yes.
So generally it will take time, but there are some feature. I told you, na, layer number 2 security, like port fast, and there are multiple feature, right? Na? So there are some feature also. When we enable these feature here, na, it will not take so much time. Immediately it will enable. Try to understand in real scenarios. In real scenarios, we cannot wait. Yes or no? In our production environment, we cannot wait for such time. Yes or no? Understand? So to avoid these things, we have a concept of some additional feature in the STP. So we can enable that feature in STP and port will immediately come in forwarding state. Are you getting my point? Yes or no? Understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, for example, here I am writing the command. Let me try. Ping 10.2. Packet reach on switch. What switch is doing? Forwarding this packet. What switch is doing? Packet is drop here. Why?
Still not
Because
active.
now is block state.
Port is not active.
Active.
Still, this port is not active. Clear na, everyone? I hope you guys understand.
Yes.
Now, if you guys understand, what is happening? Now, you guys can ask sir one question. Is sir, you make the topology like this, switch 1, switch 2, switch 3, and you connect the thing like this. Yes or no? Yes, na? This was the topology.
Yes.
Are tell me yes or no? Yes, na?
Yes.
Yes.
You can say, sir, actually the topology you make here, this topology, physically when I see this topology already looks like looped topology. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, na? When you see this topology, it already looks like looped topology. Anyone can say in this topology loop will create because this is called looped topology. Yes or no? Tell
Yes.
me. Yes, na? But let's suppose if our device like this, then here loop
This looks
will not
okay.
create. Then STP is mandatory. Right now, here this topology is the loop topology, and here loop will create. So that's the reason STP is required. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
But see, in this topology, all the devices are in the linear. Right now? So can
Yes.
here
Yes.
create? No, loop will not create here. Yes, you are right. Then, according to this, if loop will not create, then there is no need of STP here. Tell me yes or no. Yes, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes. But try to understand one thing. We know This is the loop topology and this is the non-loop topology. And here need the STP and here do not need the STP. But STP don't know these things, guys. STP don't know about your types of topology. What type of topology you are using? Either you are using the loop topology or non-loop topology. STP don't know. Getting my point, everyone? Tell me.
Yes.
Understand? So basically,
Yes.
the main function of STP is to avoid the loop. STP don't know whatever the topology you have. The main function of STP is to do not create the loop. No matter your device is connected in looped or non-loop. Clear, everyone? We are human, so we can see the topology physically, and then after we can think and we can say this is the looped or this is the non-looped. But STP can't. Understand, everyone? Tell me yes or no. Clear, na?
So, sir,
Yes,
in
sir.
linear topologies, a redundancy case will get failed, na?
Sorry, what? Redundancy?
Will not apply in linear.
No. Everywhere STP is applied. Either in you have a looped or non-looped.
Yeah, sir, but
And
we have written,
avoid the loop. But
yeah, and
STP
second one is redundancy, sir.
redundancy here you
Yeah.
how you get the redundancy? No, na.
Yes,
Here
sir.
you can't. Here you can't. But try to understand. Let's suppose I'm giving you one scenario. One topology like this. Switch 1, switch 2. Link is connected like this. For example, there is user A, there is user B. Now tell, when you see this topology looks like linear and this looks like non-looped. Yes or no? When you physically see this topology. Yes, na everyone?
Yes, sir.
When you see this topology, it looks like linear, or you can say non-looped topology it looks like. But no, this is the loop topology. See na how? For example, this user send the ARP packet and this is the broadcast packet. Yes or no? Yes. Packet
Yes.
reach here. Which will do forward through this one and this one. Packet reach here and here. See na, this switch receive the same packet on this interface as well as on this interface. It means it create.
No.
Tell me yes or no. Yes, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes. It create the loop. But when we see this topology physically, it looks like non-looped. But actually it is looped.
Loop.
So that's the reason. Please do not think in loop topology, we are using only STP, and in non-loop topology, we are not using STP. No, we are using STP in every type of
Both
topology.
side.
Getting my point, everyone? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There is some problem here. So that's the reason still it's not active. Okay, avoid it. I hope now you guys understand looped, non-looped, why we need STP. Clear na? Are tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in this type of topology also, one link will be in which state? Block state. And one link
Block
will be in
state.
active.
Active
So all
state.
the communication will happen here. And when this link goes down, this link will active. And the packet will start going through there. Understand? So it will provide the redundancy. It will provide the redundancy. Clear, everyone? Understand? Can you tell me?
Yes.
Anyone who do not understand? Okay. If you guys understand, I have one question. Can I ask?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Only one guys are telling us. Okay, no problem. If you guys are not able to answer, and then no problem.
Please ask her.
Ask. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See. Switch A, switch B, switch C. Let's suppose user X, user Y. So first of all, tell me, this is the looped topology or non-loop topology when you see this topology? This is the looped, right?
Yes.
We need the STP here to
Yes.
avoid the loop. Yes, na everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So if you do not configure the STP, what is happening? All the link is active and there is a collision. Yes, na everyone?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So now an interviewer asked the question to an candidate, just tell me, I do not want to use the STP, and without STP, I want to avoid the loop here. Is there any way by which you can avoid the loop? And communication is continue. There is no effect on communication. So what that candidate, what did, do you guys know? That candidate did remove this link. That candidate just remove this link. Now what is happening? Packet send. There is only how many links? One, na? Communication is happening. There is no impact on the communication. And there is no impact on the loop also.
Loop also
.com and communication is also happening.
happening.
But what is the problem? Problem is redundancy.
Redundancy.
What is the problem, guys? Redundancy. Think na, if this link goes down, is there any backup link now?
No.
No.
These users cannot communicate. Understand? So now I hope you guys understand. There are two uses of STP. First one is avoid the loop, and second one is provide the redundancy. Provide the redundancy. Clear na everyone? Anyone who do not understand?
Sir, without removing the interface, we can shut down till
Sorry?
second.
Same thing, na?
without-
Either you can remove the link or either you can shut down the link. Link is not used, na?
Yeah. Sir, but in case needed, after we can that.
But this is the
shut it
manual
off.
task, again manual task. Let's suppose you shut
Yeah.
down this link and you shut down the link. And anyhow, in your real environment, this link goes down. So first of all, as a network admin, you have to identify the loop, you have to identify the thing, then you guys will know such here. So these are the manual tasks, na, everyone? Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
We want
Yes.
automatic thing, automatically it will up, and only STP will
Up.
provide this one. Getting my point? What I'm trying to say, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So this is something about the intro of STP, and I hope you guys understand the introduction of STP.
Introduction. FTP.
Everyone.